to introduce our new global brand to all of you, Panda Scanner. Panda Scanner. You may wonder why. Our company is originated in Chengdu, Sichuan province, where is also the hometown of Panda. Secondly, we also hope that our intraoral scanner can be popular and beloved by all dental practice, just like Panda. Our company was founded in 2015. Since then, we devoted ourselves to the development of the 3D scanning technology. The first powder-free and true-color intraoral scanner in China was developed by us, Panda P1. But as an engineer company, we thought it's still too big, so we didn't put this model into mass production. Until the middle of 2019, a revolutionary intraoral scanner came to the market, Panda P2. Within only 18 months, there are more than 4,000 dentists began their digital journey with Panda P2. People like Panda, dentists like Panda Scanner. Before Panda P2 showed in the market, there are two types of intraoral scanners. One like this, small but not easy to scan. Another type, like these scanners. It's good to scan, but too big. Only with Panda P2 scanner, you can get the real pen-style operating experience due to its smaller size. And also, the aviation aluminum alloy material can give you a reassured feeling when you hold it in your hand. Talking about the technology, we are the first one who introduced the coded structure light into intraoral scanning field. With this technology, you can get the real-time data from each frame it captured, which makes the scanning speed much higher and the result more accurate, which can be up to 10 micrometer, which we call staring scan. It's a part of our history. What's new for today? Here it comes, Panda P3. With the same size as Panda P2. The Panda P3 is much lighter now, which is only 228 grams. From the feedback of the markets, we also add a butter on the scanner now, which can make the scanning much easier. You do not need to touch the screen or the keyboard. Besides that, we add a gyroscope in the scanner, which is very useful for communication between the dentist and visitors. You can use it to rotate the digital impression model for details check. For both P2 and P3 models, we have the redundancy consideration in the hardware design, which can update your scanner to be the latest version by OTA. Example, in the beginning, the scanning speed is only 15 frames per second, but now you can select 18 FPS as an option. And the hardware support maximum 30 FPS, which means in the lifetime of the scanner, you can always get the best performance, as we promise. Let's see the real scanning speed. Here are some important features of our scanner. AI technology, much smarter, improve a lot of scanning experience. 3 different tips meet more demands of different applications. Much smaller, very easy to operate. Clear margin line, full HD color, high accuracy. Fast scanning speed, easy to learn and use. For the software, you can get all those features make our scanner applicable for restoration, implant, orthodontics, and other dental treatments. What's more, there is a very powerful tool from our cloud platform, which you can show your case online by computer, tablet, or smartphone. Let's see how it works. In this case, you can see the basic information of the case and what's the treatment plan about it, and all the scanning images you can check. The up jaw, lower jaw, and the whole jaw. Also, you can zoom in and zoom out. Now, it's a digital world. Nobody can stop it. Thanks for the pioneers in the intraoral scanner field. We are not come to break this ecology. We just want to speed it up. Let everybody can benefit from this process of digitalization. We want to let every dentist can enjoy this digital workflow. The future is coming. What can you do? With Panda,